the morning, everyone. We have got a coffee. We are at Talk Moto, and we're just going to have a little walk around. It's classic day, so there are a few JDM cars. There's some really cool cars here, but Luke is here with his Stagea, and Mike is here as well. And Luke's going to take me in the Stagea at some point to experience turbo noises. Isn't that right, Michael? Yes. So here's where I am, but I just noticed and saying to Luke, my car looks so small next to like a 5 Series. This isn't a an M5 or anything, he's just making it look like it, but it's so small. We saw something similar at the photo event, but this is really cool. Unless, I don't think it is the same one, but it might be. He might just changed the wheels to works. Which are the Emotions? They're like the, I think they're the 2-piece maybe? Are they 2-piece? I think, no, they're not. They're similar to mine, but they've got like a bigger offset and a dish. But, wait, does he? He's got a hydro. I just noticed he's got the twin caliper setup, so, and you can see the hydro. Naughty boy. This is wicked. Really cool. Fair enough. I like the indicators as well. Really cool. Should we go for a drive?
Yeah.
You looked really majestic in the sun. Look at you. So this is his Stagea. Oh, you're going to show us the lovely RB25. Ooh, very nice. It's coming out really blue on video. This is cool. I like the blue. Very clean. Very clean. I love this. What do you guys think? Do we put an RB in the Silvia? Comment down below. Well, that sounds nice. I was going to say, you're pretty tall. This is nice. Got a Nismo knob. Very cool. I've never been in a Stagea. This is wicked. First time in an RB. There's a guy just filming. He doesn't look very happy, does he? He looks a bit sad. Yeah, this road coming out of here is disgusting. These bumps I always have to slow down for, massively.
It's probably the road's also like off cameras and collection.
See, your suspension's nice. Mine.
Yeah, the BC's good.
If I go over that, it's like dun.
Oh really?
Especially if I go like faster than 2 miles an hour.
Can you adjust the like?
Jesus! This is sick.
To a third gear, it's like tuning to delay.
Yeah. This is wicked though.
It's a little bit too much torque in lower gears and break the axles. Drive shafts.
At least it like displays it though. Like it doesn't. It's not like instant.
Yeah, I think because if you do a full launch at full power, you probably snap an axle.
So we're about to go onto the dual carriageway, just away from where like Cars and Coffee is, and we're going to see what turbo noises. Because I don't have a turbo, unfortunately. So sad times, but it still sounds good.
You could always get one fit.
I could get one fitted. DE plus T. I don't know. I don't want to like time bomb my engine.
Yeah, although after experiencing it, you might force yourself
Don't tempt me.
It's the main reason I got this was for turbo as well, because I've never had a turbo car before. So.
I've had turbo, but it's been like turbo diesel. Get it! It's like instant. I bet they're seeing like a wagon pull out like, oh, he's not gonna make that. Wow, that's sick. I'm gonna have to bleep out what I've said. Give you guys a POV when we come round the roundabout. Damn, man, that's crazy. There's shifts. Yeah, this is a wagon as well. Oh, there's the Citroen. Oh, yeah. Let's see if we can. Where's the Citroen? There it is. It's a beautiful day. Perfect. It's perfect. That car behind doesn't know what's going to happen. He doesn't know. God, the little blow off noise. That little. It handles so well for such a big car. Oh no, Luke. Oh, at least yours is in K's. Mate, that was like 55 miles an hour in a 70, and that felt so much faster. This is a great car. Seal of approval. Not like you need it. I think. Oh, is that? That was James.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, in DC5. Maybe he's coming along. Who knows? That'd be cool to see James. We'll get him in the video, and I might stay for a little bit longer. But this is wicked. I've never been in a GTR, guys. I've never been in a R32, R33, R34, even R35. So even to just experience, you know, an RB is really cool. And I absolutely love this. This is wicked. I need something like this in my life. Hit them with it. I hope they can hear the turbo. This is so loud, like especially down here, because that's where
the
like,
intake's over that side.
Yeah.
So over that side.
It's crazy. Look at Alpha. Wow. Let me know if you guys want to see more like sort of like experience of like riding in cars. There's that Camaro. He doesn't have. Yeah. If you guys want to see more of these like ride along, like test drivey kind of videos, experience different cars, let me know, because I have a lot of fun doing them, and if they're fun to watch, then I want you guys to enjoy what you're watching. So if you feel like you want to see more, let me know what cars you want to see down in the comments, because I've got a few friends with a few cool cars. So, and this is one you don't see every day. Oh, someone getting pictures, or are they stranded? It's a good spot for photos.
Yeah, I just was thinking about it, but
I don't trust myself with the leaves. That's nice though. That's nice. Look what's behind us. I reckon you can take him, Luke. You can take him easily. So, oh, it's vibrating really bad. I am about to head home. I hope you've enjoyed this little video. I don't know how big it's going to be. I'm trying to film a few videos, because this is going to be my last time at Cars and Coffee for a little bit. You'll see why in future videos. But it was nice to spend some time with Luke. He's a really good friend in the car community, and he's got a really, really cool car, obviously. The Stagea is something that you don't see every day, but it's a really, really cool car. I wish they were like more appreciated. I think people appreciate them a bit more, but his is really well done. It's really tidy, really clean. It's an import, obviously, because you didn't get them in England. But yeah, that's going to be it from me in this bit. There might be some more videos later. If there are, wicked. If not, then you'll see the next clip of me signing out. So yeah, really cool day. Oh, the Z's going. Surprise, surprise, I'm in a different outfit. So obviously this is future Scott, not at the same time as this video is being filmed. I'm just editing the video right now. What I wanted to say was thank you guys so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below what you want to see. There's loads of videos which I have been filming while I've been in Japan, which is where I am right now. And obviously you've just seen the Tokyo Auto Salon video, which is the previous video to this one, but I've been super busy traveling Japan. So that's the reason why there haven't been as many uploads. So I do apologize about that. But I have plenty to edit. So if you really want to see what it's like traveling Japan, like Okinawa, for example, Nara, Kyoto, all those kinds of places, then please let me know down in the comments, because I've been a bit hesitant to put them up because it's not car related. But if you guys still like Japan videos and traveling videos and just sort of daily life, then please let me know, because I'd love to put them out. I've had a lot of fun, obviously, recording them and doing basically traveling Japan, which is what I've been doing. So if you're interested in that, please let me know down in the comments, and it'll give me a bit more confidence putting them out. But if you made it this far in the video, I can't appreciate you enough. Thank you so much for all of your support so far. If you haven't yet, subscribe, like I've already said, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, then maybe you should do that. It's at Sylvia_no_Scott. We got there eventually. Where I literally just put up everything that I'm doing. It's all pictures of my car because I love it so much. I'll put it on the screen somewhere here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and stay lucky.